This knob has the clear coat nail polish on it now, so it's not all rough. It is ready to start reassembling this. So this knob does run inside this plate, so we need to get that assembled. It's got a scale on the back here, and then it has on the inside this little tension washer and the driver washer that then fits into that slot on this mechanism. So set this in right way around, get our there's two long screws that go through this. I have, there we go. There. Alright, one screw down, and then the other screw. Now this is going to be the way that a lot of these style of knobs work. So if you've got a control panel that's even vaguely like this, it's got the selector here, two stoppers, and the knob here, which I did not get my washer in the right spot there. Alright, let's center that up again. There. Now with it centered up, okay, so centered up on the back, provides just a little bit of friction for this, and I'm gonna get some oil in the back side of this here. And now this panel is ready. So this panel holds all the knobs in place. And then once you've got all the knobs in the panel, you've got to reassemble the you can put the mechanism in the body of the machine and then set the panel on so the knobs line up. Let me move this. We have to slip the reverse mechanism in place, and there is a set screw right here under my finger that holds the barrel of this body. Get this the right way around. Holds the barrel in the body of the machine. And inside the let's see now. Gotta check my. Okay. So the knob here at 4 has a so we have to rotate the barrel around to match with the machine, but first, way down in here is the reverse cam, and that has to get lifted up because the spring return on it on this side. There we go. Now you can see the reverse button pushes on it, and then that's that. And now I'm gonna move the camera again. Alright, so our set screw, which is visible right here, and then we have our stitch length and reverse mechanism here in place, and now we need to put our front cover back on, and I'm going to rotate our stitch size to maximum, and then look on the back of this for the location of the slot and rotate this slot until our tab goes in place the way we want it to. Alright, now the other thing is there is a okay. Luckily, this knob spring loaded over, and the zigzag mechanism is spring loaded, so that this just sets into place. You don't have to worry about making sure the pins line up. And then we'll put our screws in to the front panel, and once we have the screws in the front panel, we can move our reverse mechanism forward and backward to make sure it's in the right location to give us proper motion. So Let me finish tightening these screws up and we'll investigate that motion. Alright, setting the stitch length involves that set screw and then pushing and pulling the barrel of the whole mechanism in and out, and then tightening the set screw so that when you turn the mechanism to 0 there's no stitch length, and then 4 is your longest stitch length. And it's just trial and error, gently loosening that screw, hopping the whole mechanism forward and back, and then putting it and then tightening the set screw again. Alright, final touch is the reverse knob. There's a hole in the side of this little or of the outer knob to catch the set screw here, so you just have to line the set screw up and then push and hold the knob in. Of course it's tricky, so alright, set screw in the right orientation. Alright, well, I'm gonna get an angle where I can peer directly in that hole to line it up and tighten the set screw.